Okay guys, it is Friday and it is black out. It is just about to be some trouble. So we are prepped, masked, everything, and we are going to pull off the house until Monday when we return to do we'll return on Monday, and what we'll do is we'll spray and we'll do the stain the same day, and then we'll be able to trim hopefully right in that period as well, and we will be out the door. So we are really close. So I want to kind of show you what's happening. This is 2 days worth of bleaching. So this did not come out to where we wanted it to come out actually at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some sanding, and we're going to use a little darker stain. But we can make this look good, so we don't want you to worry about that. It will look good when we're done. But that is 2 days. Like, look at the top. Gorgeous. Every bit of it came out. But that snow load sat against this house for a long time, and there, unless we replace the wood, we'll sand and we'll clean it up really well. So don't worry about that. But that is where we ended up. And then we're also going to deal with John as well on this wood, because I think we're going to go ahead and prime that too. Now the reason why you see this green is this is our primer. I know it sounds odd, but our primers actually cover dark browns and tans and so forth, actually cover better if it's a green primer. So that is not any of the finished color, just letting you guys know. Now look at our woodpecker holes. They are gone. Patched correctly with plugs and scraping. There's a lot of scraping on this house. We spent one day, 3 guys just scraping. Paints, ladders, all the fun stuff that we lock up. All of our tools and so forth are underneath there. So this is, I mean, look at that compared to what it was. What a difference. All the windows are masked and ready. All the woodpecker holes are plugged and ready to be painted. Looks pretty much like everything at this point is ready to be painted. Shouldn't be any issues with anything. John is going to be putting some trim right here. He'll do that for us by Monday, he said. All this wood primed. This was a real tough one. A lot of prime on this. So water has been drained and turned off. So that is good. All the areas are primed. Woodpecker holes are patched. So we are pretty much ready to rock. Monday morning we start spraying paint and spraying stain, and then the party begins relatively fast at this point. And again, all this up here, what we're going to do is we're going to get in, we're going to throw a sander to this and see what we can work up, and we'll see if we can clean it up. If by chance it does not and it's still really bad, then we can go from there. I mean, if need be, just for sale purposes, we could even paint the building and just stain that one up there. But I think sanding will be able to bring it out, but we can't sand until it's dry, and unfortunately, so that put us a day behind because we had to pressure wash it twice. But it is bad. It is just in the wood. I mean, it is pretty bad. It is definitely in the wood, but again, we've seen way worse. So don't fret, this one will not be that big of a deal. We will be able to clean it up, and we will get it looking really nice. So we're still looking at a finished day of Tuesday, maybe Wednesday at the latest. We're gonna let this big storm roll in on us right now, which it is. If you can tell, it's just black out here. We'll let the big storm roll in, pass over. It's supposed to be snow in Dorrington. It has now been downgraded to rain. So it'll probably sprinkle for an hour. So hopefully this finds you guys well, and you'll get more video from us on Monday when I start showing you some finished painting and finished stain work. So sounds good, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.